Let me walk you through our new improvement action journey in Lean Agile Intelligence. This will help transform the way you approach improvement actions in your organization. We always recommend that every improvement action, or IAs as we love to call them, begins at the insight canvas. Here, leverage the data to help you make the right decisions on where to focus your improvement time and energy. Use our coaching assistance for deeper insights and targeted focus. Drill down into a question. You have two choices: mark it as a goal, a challenge your team can tackle, or as an impediment, something beyond your team's control, to signal the need for help. Let's choose goal for our example. Once marked, you're directed to the Create Improvement Action screen. For teams integrated with Jira, IAs created here will automatically populate in your configured Jira project. Otherwise, you can always link externally to your backlog management tool, or use our new Improvement Action dashboard for seamless management of your coaching and continuous improvement plans. Fill in the required fields and click Save Improvement Actions. Now you can add more or manage the existing ones. Notice that the Unmarked as Gold button is disabled if there's an open IA linked to a question. Only when the IA is closed can you unmark the question. The same goes for impediments. If you choose to add improvement actions in a question first, the system will intelligently mark the question for you based on the IA type. For instance, creating an impediment type IA automatically marks the question as an impediment. Launching an assessment? If there are open IAs linked to any question, you'll be prompted to review them first. Here in the review screen, you can close your IAs or refresh them in bulk if integrated with Jira. We improved the IA journey to help empower your teams with clarity and control over improvement actions. Ensure that you are making data-driven decisions and taking actions to drive outcomes. When you need to show your plan for improvement and prove that the improvement happened, LAI is your trusted solution. Lean Agile Intelligence, where your insights lead to impactful actions.